Whatever you do, do not spend the coins in this video because you will regret it. Let's take this Washington quarter from 1937 for example. Now this coin sold for $17,825 and this is why. So I'll keep this as brief as possible, but this 25-cent quarter is considered to be a proof coin and it was graded by PCGS at a proof 68 and it has a CAC sticker. The first thing you need to know is that 1932 was the first date they started issuing these Washington quarters, so this one's pretty old. Next, it's a proof coin. So how do you know if you have a proof coin? Most proof coins are going to have an extremely shiny and lustrous, almost like a mirror, background or field. If your coin has that, it could be a proof coin. Next, this one has some toning on it. So toning is a naturally occurring process that happens when the air will oxidize with the metals in the coin. You can see how the coin is changing colors here a bit. Lastly, this has a CAC sticker. So CAC is a third-party company that after you get your coin graded and certified, you can send your coin off to them and they will consider putting the CAC sticker on the holder. It sounds pretty silly, but that little sticker will increase the value of the coin significantly. Long story short, what they're seeing is if the coin is accurately graded or if they think the coin is actually undergraded and it should grade higher. So if you have a coin worth a lot of money, it is important to send it off to CAC to see if you can get that sticker. This one only graded 2 points away from the perfect grade of 70 at the 68 grade. That's why this coin sold for $17,825. I'll keep this brief, but this coin sold for $2.9 million. So if you ever see this coin anywhere, you've just hit something incredibly rare. But let's go to the next coin. This is a 1999 S 25-cent Delaware silver quarter. Now this coin sold for $3,450 and here's why. So most of these coins are not going to be that valuable, but if you have this one and it grades this highly at a proof 70, you've hit the jackpot. Now I say jackpot quite literally as it's so hard to get this high of a grade. Do not get your hopes up if you're getting your coins graded unless you have a lot of coins to send off to grading and they're in good condition. 70 is the highest grade and the hardest achievable grade to get, but if you hit it, then you can get a coin like this that sold for $3,450. Wait, 90% of you that watch the videos are still not subscribed, so you better subscribe right now so we can keep the lights on. Wait, no, I was kidding. This 1952 Roosevelt dime sold for $4,312 and here's why. So this coin is a proof coin. Again, the background or the field of the coin looks like a mirror. It's very shiny. This PCGS graded coin at a 68, which is a very high grade. Not much to really say about Roosevelt dimes outside of the fact that if they grade highly, they're going to bring a lot of money because again, this coin sold for $4,312. This 5-cent Jefferson Nickel sold for $15,275 and here's why. So this is a 1952D 5-cent Jefferson Nickel graded by PCGS at a mint state 67. The first thing you want to look at on this coin is if you flip the coin over and look on the back right hand side of the coin, you're going to see a small little D mint mark. That D mint mark stands for the Denver Mint where this coin was minted. Depending on where your coin was minted will depend on how much money it's going to be worth. Next, this has the full steps on the back. So if you look above Monticello there on the center back of the coin, you're going to see some steps. Now it's important to know that this is only important if the coin is an uncirculated mint state grade. If your coin is beat up and in low condition, the full steps don't matter, but if it's in good grade, then it does. So essentially what it means is the full steps are the highest point on the coin and they're the hardest to strike. Collectors like collecting these coins if they have the full steps on the back. This one also has some toning on it. Toning can increase the value or decrease the value depending on the eye appeal of the coin. All these things combined allowed it to sell for $15,275. One of my favorite types of coins, this is a 1955 1-cent double die Obverse coin graded by PCGS, a mint state of 65, and this coin sold for $37,600. I need to tell you something very important. Now these coins are highly counterfeited, meaning that there are people out there making fake coins just like this. Look very carefully at the motto at the top, liberty at the left, and the date at the right there. It needs to look just like this. People make very high quality fake coins. You can buy them on Etsy or from a different country for a very small amount of money, and there's people out there trying to sell them. So if the deal seems too good to be true and you're trying to buy one of these coins, I would lean on the side of caution because there are some people out there that are not the best trying to take advantage of you. So be careful, but because this coin graded so highly, it sold for $37,600. This is a 1909 SVDB coin graded by PCGS, a mint state 67 red, and it sold for $94,000. So the area you need to look out for on your coin coin. And by the way, this was the first year they ever made these 1909 coins. You need to look for the S mint mark below the date there, standing for the San Francisco Mint, and you need to look for the engraver and designer of this coin's initials, which are located on the back bottom center of the coin. That is VDB, standing for Victor David Brenner. If you have everything like this on this coin, then you hit the jackpot because this coin is sold for $94,000. See that video on the screen right now? YouTube thinks that's the video for you. They have a complex algorithm that knows you pretty well. Are they right? If so, go ahead and click on that video and I'll see you guys inside.